We have the forward bag rigged. Tension looks good.
Copy that. Proceeding with aft connections.
History has lied to us for the past 113 years. They say the Titanic sank because of an iceberg. But the truth is far more horrific. In 1912, amidst the raging storms of the Atlantic, the Titanic was no ordinary passenger ship. It was an armored fortress, carrying ultimate military secrets. Trying to escape a bloody pursuit, 3 dark warships rose from the mist, carrying destructive firepower. The Titanic fought. Hidden cannons roared. Boilers blazed. But fate had already been sealed. 2 torpedoes ripped through the night.
The rising hulk
striking
of the
ship's
Titanic
side.
disturbs the deep
Not
sea
ice,
ecosystem,
but
sending these rare anglerfish
the
scattering
ship
into the
broke in
abyss.
2 in agony, carrying the scream of metal and sinking deep into the abyss. The dust settled, and darkness swallowed everything. The Titanic fell into an eternal sleep. Until today.
My God, look at the size of it. Oh, it's incredible.
1.800 meters below the sea surface. Pressure crushes everything. The Titanic lies there, a rusty, decaying, and lonely graveyard of iron. But humanity has never forgotten it. With 22nd century technology, we return, not to explore, but to save. A massive fleet of submarines and robots begins the craziest salvage operation in history. Thousands of ultra-strong cables are connected. Giant airbags are inflated. For the first time in over a century, the sea monster stirs, the mud breaks apart, the anchors are released. And then, a world-shattering moment. From the foaming, white surface of the sea, the bow of the Titanic tears through the waves, soaring into the sunlight. Rusted and battered, it stands tall and majestic. The legend has returned from the dead, ready for a great transformation.
Gauges, keep it centered. Pushing it through now, clear the line. Easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the far edge, watch the edge. All right, it's seated. Watch the line, lower easy. Steady, steady. Secure the davit locks now. Okay, easy now. Settle it down. Got it. Hand me the torque wrench. All right, give it 3 clicks.
At the world's largest dry dock, the Titanic's surgery begins. Centuries of mud are blown away by the immense
Bring her
pressure
down
of the
20
water.
centimeters. Steady.
High-powered lasers burn away
Watching the
rust,
starboard side, looks
restoring
good.
the original, cold grey steel. But the greatest challenge remains, reassembling the body that was broken in two. With fusion welding technology and precision robots, the fatal wound from years ago is healed. A new skeletal frame and a modern engine are implanted into the old body.
The emergency sequence
Each
is
steel plate
stabilizing.
is repainted.
We have a steady red
the
throughout the deck.
mysterious black, the red underside,
Confirmed.
and the
All
four
systems are
distinctive
nominal.
orange-yellow smokestacks rise proudly once again. The Titanic is no longer a corpse. It is gradually regaining the form of a king.
The service aboard this vessel is simply unparalleled, isn't it?
Indeed. I find the Parisian cafe quite charming.
All right, lads, easy now. Down she goes.
We need more carrots on table 3.
Coming right up, chef.
Inside its steel hull, the soul of the Titanic was reborn. The magnificent staircase, the dazzling crystal chandeliers, every silver spoon, every glass window, everything returned to the glamour of 1912. But far more splendid, and the fateful moment arrived. The shipyard doors opened. The legendary ship's horn once again echoed across the sky, signaling the return of the king. Millions cheered as the Titanic sailed out to sea, proudly gliding past modern cities. No longer a victim of the ocean, the Titanic was now a symbol of immortality, of an unyielding will. The ship set sail towards the sunset,
Cheers
continuing
to
the
the maiden
legendary
voyage.
story that history had left unfinished. The Titanic had truly returned.
Land ho!